Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel coming at you today on a sunny, cold winter day. A little bit of snow left on the ground. 30 degrees out, high today, probably about 25 now. Anyways, we're doing a cold start walk around video on this 2008 Dodge Ram 2500. 6.7 Cummins Turbo Diesel, crew cab long bed, 4-wheel drive. It's a super nice truck, rare paint color, black and gold two-tone, ranch hand bumpers, mud tires, EFI live, new transmission. Just to hit on the few perks this truck has going for it, but let's just hop into the cold start video and check out the inside a little bit. SLT model with power windows, power locks, power seats. We got trailer brake controls, EFI live, 5-position tuning for the deletes. Firestone onboard air compressor with rear towing airbags. So yes, all your towing needs are taken care of back then. But anyways, let's get to start this truck up. Oh. She is cold. Been sitting out in front of the shop for a couple hours, hasn't driven at all today. Cold. Miles are 202,197. Good miles on it, very young still. It's a nice truck. It's got your overhead console with lights. It's got CD player, auxiliary for your phone so you can get your Pandora going. Exhaust brake, power sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, tow overhaul. Cup holder drops down for extras. It does have the jump up middle seat. Let me just get around back here. Now this isn't a new truck. It's an 08. It's 10 years old. It's got 200,000 miles. It's been driven 20,000 miles a year. Mechanically, it's in great shape. We did have the transmission rebuilt by a very local, reputable transmission shop. They've done plenty of 68 RFEs for me, which is what training's in this. Cost about $2 grand. I've got all the paperwork on it. It was done literally just a couple of miles ago. A&V transmission out of Merriam, Kansas did all the work. It's a nice truck. It's got brand new mud tires, front and rear ranch hands. Like I said, it's got the EFI live 5-position tuning. You can switch it on the fly there. EGR&DPF Delete, all that stuff's deleted. It's got an exhaust on it. But let's pop the hood and go check it out. I'd rather just show you than tell you. Does have a cold air intake. That's where your EGR would be sitting, and there's not one there, obviously. Very clean under the hood. No blow by at all coming out of the engine. None whatsoever. Everything's in nice shape. I did not clean under the hood. This is the way it came in. Like I said, we do have legit ranch hand bumpers on this, not knockoffs or anything, with receiver hitch on the front. So looking over the truck from a distance, a few things I'm going to point out. A couple little rough spots, smoked 5 highs. Like I said, wheels and tires. Wheels are stock, but the tires, we got a nice set of 285/70 17s with tons of tread on there, as you can see. They look brand new. It's a rust-free truck. You do got some light scratches there on the plastic fender flare. There's a couple little dents in the door. They're very minor. They're not even dents. It's almost just like a wave the sun catches. Right here though, gentleman did have a toolbox. You can see this crack in the sunlight. It's about the distance of my fingers. And it comes up here. Same scenario on the other side. You can tell he had a toolbox mounted right in here. Holes for it and everything. But he had a big old heavy box on here, so the bed does have a little crack in it. My body guy said it can be fixed pretty easily, or you can put a bed on it. You got some little minor rock chips down here in the gold portion. just from the tires kicking up. Frame's super clean, it's not all rusty. Like I said, we got Firestone onboard airbags. You can adjust the PSI right there in the cab. It is a bighorn package. And again, the rear is a legit ranch hand. I just want you to see that. No knockoff bumpers or anything. It's like a 5-inch exhaust and dumped right there, no tip or anything. I mean, tiny rock chips. I'm just trying to point out whatever I can see and show you guys. There's a little rock chip there, but when you back up, I mean, we're talking about little tiny scuffs. Small dent, you can see another ripple. It's not dented, you can't actually see it. It's just an illusion with the light there kind of, but it is a small dent. And then the crack on this side, it's hardly noticeable. It's 1/2 inch maybe. So, you know, the bed was used. It's a truck. It's got a turnover ball in it, of course, too. But I don't know what you expect out of a 10-year-old truck that's been used 20,000 miles a year. Back seat, a little small stain that can be taken out there. Sliding glass in the rear. Just want you guys to get a feel for the truck, kind of see the goods and bads, what we got going on here with it. Cab corners are nice, they're not shot, they're not rusted at all. Well, that's it, guys. You know, it's a great truck overall, with the exception of a couple small dings and dents and the damage on that side of the bed. It's really nice. You know the drill though, to get in touch with us, 816diesel.com. Website's got everything. It's got all the phone numbers, my text, email, pictures, VIN, video, whatever you want to see, it's on there. Call the shop direct though if you want to get a hold of us. Normal business hours, Monday through Saturday, 816-298-7030. My cell phone, 913-735-3748. My name's Cameron. Call me, text me anytime, don't care, day, night. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The truck won't be around long, guys. We got a bit of a slow spot at the end of Christmas, but tax season is picking up. So if you are looking for a truck, we've got some very competitive deals on them right now, this being one of them, guys. So I look forward to hearing from you. And if you got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I appreciate your time, guys. Thanks.